Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Beautiful truck. A little over 14,000 miles on it. One owner. It's got custom wheels. Wrapped in Nittos. They're LT 325/65 18. The rims are 18s. Grapplers. Has automatic steps, custom LED lights, custom front and rear bumpers, matching spare. Leather interior, adjustable climate control. The XRC front bumper's got a winch on it, the CR8 winch. A nice mini belt. Hard top and a soft top. Hard top's painted to match. Doesn't have your typical crinkle cut. Amp steps. Cool. Leather interior, tilt wheel, navigation, power locks, windows, mirrors, original owner's manuals, 15,233 miles. Jeez, but heated seats. Just about every option. I don't think the back seat's ever been sat in either. This bar and the receiver are not included with the sale. Front airbags, side airbags. Subwoofer in the back, car covers included. Here's your Freedom top bag. It's included with the sale as well. Let's see, it's mint. Original owner's manuals, all the hangers and everything are included. The hood got a 6-cylinder, all stock. As nice as you can get. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.